Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of WhiteCane Academy official YouTube channel, WhiteCane Academy Inclusive Learning for a Brighter Tomorrow. I'm your host Ratul for today's video. In this video, I will show you how you can enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Yes friends, you heard it right. Today in this video, we will see how as a blind YouTuber, you can enable monetization on your YouTube channel. And before starting the video, thank you so much. Thanks to everyone, those who have supported me, because with your blessings and support, today I'm going to monetize my second YouTube channel. You heard it right. After the WhiteCane Academy, I have created another YouTube channel in Bengali, as this is my mother tongue. So those who know Bengali here, you can understand. And this channel is especially for entertainment purpose, and there actually I play some instruments. So now today I have achieved the milestone to enable the monetization. So everything I will discuss in the video, so do not forget to watch the video till the end, and let me know your thoughts. That are you thinking to start one YouTube channel? I want to know also. Before starting the video, or before going to the demonstration, first of all, I'm going to tell you one thing, that as a blind, is it possible to earn from YouTube? My answer is yes, it is 100% possible to earn from YouTube, and you can build YouTube. You can build a good YouTube channel, and there you can earn money. But remember, to do this, you must have patience, consistency. These are two things which you must have. And apart from that, all technical guidance, all technical things we will teach you through this channel. Or if you want to learn privately, you can connect us. Now you can DM directly WhiteCane Academy on Instagram, and there I will guide you properly how you can connect us or using official website or register for our courses. Yes, you can now directly DM on Instagram, and I will provide the Instagram link in the video description below. So guys, first of all, to get the monetization, to enable the monetization, what are the main criteria of YouTube? Let me tell you this first. So let's suppose you have a YouTube channel and you are working here. So there are two types of video content: shorts and long form content. First criteria is you have to upload original content. Guys, my voice is not so good, so please adjust. First, you have to upload the original content, then YouTube will promote your content. Second is you have to upload 3 videos within 90 days. Minimum 3 videos is required within 90 days. Next, you required 30 lakhs short views within 90 days. Last 90 days. Remember, last 90 days. If you need detailed demonstration or any question, you can ask in the comment section, so I'll make shorts or videos on these topics. So guys, you require this. If you have this 30 lakh shorts views or 3000 watch time, then you are eligible to earn money. But if you cross 100 lakh shorts views in 90 days and 4000 public watch hours, then congratulations, you can also earn from AdSense. Yes, AdSense is the major earning options which you can follow. Today I'm going to show you, I have completed 30 lakhs short views in my Bengali channel, and also I have completed the minimum subscriber rate, which is 1000. Okay, you have minimum 1000 subscribers to get the monetization. So these are the basic criteria of YouTube. Now let's see how we should enable it. I'm going to show you these things using desktop. So if you want, you can do the same thing from mobile phones. For that, you have to open the same website in desktop mode from your Chrome browser of your smartphone. Let me tell you how to do it. First, you have to open studio.youtube.com. After that, you need to sign into your channel where you want to enable the monetization. So check. Let me check the title here. Okay, let me just slow down the
inflection for almost every max rate push. Rate boost on rate boost on.
Okay, so so 65 I keep it as it is, and now NVDA actually tells these words in Bengali. No problem, I will translate in English. So it will be having like numbers in Bengali, so I will translate the numbers in English. Okay, so now I'm just going to press B.
Community button menu item.
So community is
languages,
there.
button menu,
Languages.
content detection, button menu item.
Earn button menu item. You heard earn button menu item, right? So here I just need to press enter.
Turn on YouTube.
So it will open this page here, and here you can check all of your statistics and other things.
Bullet. Menu item button customization.
So now I'm just going to press H.
Main landmark. Turn on YouTube. Heading level X.
So this is the heading level 1 earn on YouTube. Now I'm going down.
Clickable unlocked.
Unlocked. So whenever you are eligible to earn money, so you can see this. Otherwise, you will see the progress. What is your progress? Okay, and how much watch hour is completed, how much shorts views has been completed. Okay, now I'm going to down.
Start your earning journey.
Start your earning journey.
Connecting with your fans and can access the clickable button expanded membership.
So let us see what are the features available now. Membership. I can turn on the membership here. If you need to learn more about the membership setup or membership things, then please let me know into the comment section so that I can make a different video.
Button collapse. Grow your community and monthly. Expand your audience with access able to separator. Clickable button collapse.
So membership means here your audience will pay monthly to get some exclusive content from your site.
Button X separator. Clickable button collapse shopping. Set clickable button.
Then
supers
is there, shopping is there.
Future milestone. Continue to grow. Clickable button apply now.
So here you will find apply now. See, I just click on apply now.
List with theme items. YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it complies.
Once I click on apply now, YouTube will
heading level target reviewed.
See, get not reviewed.
Heading not step 3. Not started. Step button unavailable. Start step not heading level target reviewed.
Get reviewed.
YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it
complies with the
clickable link. YouTube monetization policies.
YouTube monetization policies.
Not really make your decision. Usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you've completed the first 2 steps.
Okay, so see.
Not with clickable link. YouTube monetization policies.
YouTube monetization policies.
Not really make your decision. Usually within a month. This step will
we
begin
will
automatically
email
after.
email you our decision within a month. Okay, or something.
You've completed the first 2 steps.
Completed the first 2
steps. Will help you monetize your videos after you are accepted into the YouTube partner program.
etc.
Blank. Clicker will help you monetize. Blank. Clickable and landmark collapse menu. Clickable with collapse menu. Blank. Clickable will help you monetize. Blank. We'll list with not really make you a clickable link. No next button. Start button unavailable. Clickable start button.
So here see, first is review based terms. First you have to complete this step 1.
Turn on YouTube. Clickable not started. Heading level chart review based terms.
Review based terms.
Read these terms carefully as these apply to your participation in the YouTube partner program. Clickable button start.
Click on start button and it will open some terms and conditions. So let's read.
These terms are specific to your home country or territory, India. Button change country or territory. The terms below contain general terms that apply to all monetization features on YouTube, including how you will be paid and YouTube partner program to these YouTube partner program terms. The base terms together link YouTube channel monetization policies and any module S that you accept together the terms apply to your participation in the YouTube partner program. You do not understand or accept any part of the terms. You should not click accept. List with chalked items. 1. How these terms work. Including one or more modules which specify the terms that apply to one of content or parts of the service. Each module, different eligibility criteria will apply to each module, and if you are eligible, you can review the relevant terms and accept the module in order to enable that particular type of money into the terms. 2. One module. Part 2. What we pay you. When you accept a module, YouTube will pay you partner earnings under that mod. For the list revenues that the module describes as being total amount of relevant revenues record print list with including
so here you will all things you can read it. Okay, I have already read from my previous channel.
Clickable cancel button.
So just click on accept. Before
accept the base terms,
I accept the base terms,
no previous check. Clickable accept terms
and
button.
Then click on accept terms button. You will see a checkbox to accept the base terms. Then click on
clickable accept terms button. Start button.
So I have clicked on accept terms.
All changes saved. Turn on YouTube.
Okay, so now
Out of list, clickable
see,
wheel
I have
help
already
band. Click a
accepted.
list with theme items. You've completed the first 2 steps.
Okay, next see,
Out of list will help you monetize your
will
videos
help
after
you
you are
monetize
accepted
video
into the
after
YouTube partner
YouTube partner
program.
program.
Blank.
Now
List not with
your
YouTube
channel
with
is
heading
synced.
level chart not started. Step 3. Clickable button start. Clickable. An AdSense for YouTube account to
Oh.
create an heading level chart. Sign up for AdSense for YouTube.
So here now, what you have to do is, now you have to connect your AdSense account. I forgot actually, after long time I'm doing the same thing.
Not started.
So
Heading level
second
chart,
thing
sign
is
up for
you have to connect your AdSense account. So you can just visit adsense.google.com to create your own account. Right now I have already my own AdSense account, which I can just now connect it. And once I connected, I just need to click on the get reviewed or review options, and then I will be able to do it. Okay, so let's
Create an
click
AdSense for
here,
YouTube account.
and if any personal information will be visible, then I will skip that part due to the restrictions of YouTube. Then I will come back to the video. So let's see whether I can be able to show you or not.
Clickable button start button. Dialog. Clickable step 2. You will be redirected to AdSense for YouTube to complete this step.
Okay.
Clickable button. Do you have an existing AdSense for YouTube account? Step 2. Clickable cancel button. Clickable. Do you have an existing AdSense for YouTube account?
Yes,
Select button.
I have existing account for YouTube, so I'm just pressing enter here.
List. Yes, I have an existing AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account not selected. Back of theme. Dialog button. Do you have an exit? Clickable. Learn more link. Account on the next screen. AdSense for YouTube account. You should select the email address associated with that account. Clickable button. Cancel. Link. Clickable button. Continue.
So just I'm clicking on continue.
Google
And
AdSense.
here I need to choose the email ID here. So let me do this step first, then I'll come back to the video. So I have just followed the on-screen instructions, as I already have the AdSense account. Then it will be redirected to the YouTube again.
Clickable main landmark. Turn on YouTube.
And now
Heading
see
level.
on
Clickable
YouTube.
list with theme done. Heading level.
Step
review
1
next
done.
terms, blank. Turn on blank. Clickable main blank.
Sorry.
Click a list with theme items. You've completed the first 2 steps. Out of list will help you monetize your brand. Click list not with clickable link. YouTube will heading level target review. In progress. Step 3. Clickable.
So step 3 in progress.
In progress.
See, in progress.
Heading
So
level target review.
get reviewed.
YouTube will review your
Now my channel is being reviewed by the YouTube, and it is by the systems and human beings both, and then they will email me their decision. So this is how you should turn on any feature, turn on the monetization as a visually impaired, and it's very easy. There is no need to worry about it. The worry things is you while you are if you are a first time, then you have to do certain AdSense related tasks. So if you need those info, then just let me know into the comment section, and we will try to make videos on those topics. I hope this video helps a lot, especially if you are a YouTuber or if you want to be a YouTuber. And please share this video, like this video, subscribe our official YouTube channel, and thanks for completing 4,000 plus 500 subscribers on our channel. Share this video also, and please press the hype button also. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So in the next video soon. Till then, bye bye.